These are 5 illegal gadgets that you can actually find on Amazon. And right off the bat is Flipper Zero. This is a portable multi-tool that is actually used mostly by hackers or tech enthusiasts. The device can interact with RFID, NFC, and also infrared devices and get access to hotel key cards, emulate remotes, and also run a few games. In some cases, you can also get access to certain applications if they were locked by a numeric pattern. These devices are normally used for educational purposes or security testing, but carries a lot of controversy for potential misuse. Then there's DAuthor Watch. This is a wearable device that can actually disrupt the Wi-Fi network by deauthenticating the client. This is usually designed for testing network settings, but it can send mass disconnect packets to Wi-Fi devices. This is actually fun for tech projects, but they are illegal in so many regions. Then there is Yphone. This is a minimalistic open source phone primarily used by hackers or coders. The device is usually designed for VIP calls, customizable hardware, and firmwares. It is great for experimenting with coding, but it cannot replace your actual smartphone. Then there's a license plate hider that can actually conceal your license plate by using a remote in most cases. This is actually used or marketed for showrooms and privacy purposes, but its use in public roads is completely illegal. Then there are also GSM Jammers that you can find on Amazon. That's the most common kind of hacking tool that literally blocks signals. These jammers disrupt GSM networks to prevent phone calls and text messages from coming in and out of a certain facility, but the ownership and use case of this is completely banned in almost all of the countries, and like we've seen in the movies, they're mostly used by the cops or federal agents. Anyways, that's it for this video. I actually want to put out another video in the same series with illegal or weird gadgets. If you like this video or found it interesting, leave it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments so that I could make more of these stuff. Stay subscribed for more interesting content like this, and I hope to see you in my next one.